This is the second part of our earlier tutorial on creating multiple SSID on a single physical wireless interface. If you are just joining us, please make our time to go through our earlier tutorial on this topic, on the part 1 of this series of MIKROTIK tutorial on creating multiple SSID. Because we don't want to use any tag, we leave it at default, no tag. So whatever comes in whatever comes into the SSI, the access point, this virtual access point will remain as it is, will not be stripped or tagged. Click on apply. Okay. Same thing again, we go to the virtual, look at where we are on the Wi-Fi interface. You choose, click on the plus sign, click on virtual, go to general, name the logical interface that you want to bind this access point to. This one will be finance. This one will be finance. You go to wireless, click on wireless, choose access point bridge, leave the secondary channel blank and type the name of the SSID you want to use. We want to use finance. Choose the profile, security profile that you want. Under the security profile, finance. Leave everything the way it is. Apply. Okay. We go back again. Choose virtual. Change the name to the name you want to use. This was guests. This is the last one, that is guests. Come here, the mode you want to use, and that is because we want to create a virtual access point to use AP bridge. This will call it guests. So the guest will be our SSID. And you apply OK. Now we have created 3 different SSIDs or wireless access points on the physical wireless interface. If you want to check using the command line to check to see what we have done, you can come here, come to terminal. If you want to check what we have done, you can go to the command line and check what we have done. Interface, wireless. To display what you have configured, you type print and press enter. You see we created the virtual interface, finance, guests, projects, and this wireless LAN 1 is the physical interface. Why these are the logical or virtual interfaces. Now, look at on the finance. If you go through, you see interface type. It shows here virtual. It has its own MAC address. It has an MTU, and the layer 2 MTU is 1600, while the physical MTU is 1500. You can adjust as appropriate. Look at the master interface. That is the physical interface, is showing as wireless LAN 1. And the mode is access point bridge, AP bridge. Now, the virtual SSID is finance for this, finance. And the VLAN mode is no tag. And VLAN ID is VLAN 1. Same thing for the other virtual interfaces that we have created. They have their MAC addresses. They have their distinct SSID. Like this is project. Now you can see that we have created three virtual SSID and 3 virtual interfaces on the physical interface. So we have the finance, the guests, and the project. Finance, guest, and project, 3 on one physical interface. So to check what we have also done, we come to interfaces, and we will now see that all the 3 virtual interfaces that we created while creating the virtual access point is indicated here. Under the wireless LAN physical interface, you have the finance, the guest, and the project. Thank you for your attention and listening to us. Please kindly check back for the continuation of this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channels so that we'll be motivated to do more. Thank you.